Okay.
Video recap in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
This is Robert Edwards.
Emma Hadfield.
And we taught a slow Balboa workshop for Corner Pocket Swing in Brisbane.
Yep, and Emma is losing her voice.
Really badly.
So, slow Bal, Dean Raftery style. We've had a few different influences, and our slow Bal may not be just like anyone else's, but that's cool, it's alright. We worked on a little unity exercise where we moved across the floor in a step, hold, and we're really strongly pushing across the floor as one and gathering and collecting our weight between steps. So, and we use that as prep rocks as well, so it's like 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the basic kind of has a little bit of a turn on 1, 2, and 3, 4. We kind of come together again, and we go 5, 6 is together again, triple, and we notice that Dean Raftery's triple steps, while they kind of look like they're going back, forward, back, like a double back, Dean often ends up being slightly forward of where he starts his triple. So it's back, shift forward, and back again. So you end up slightly forward. We're kind of swimming a little bit with the whole body. We definitely think about leading body first, foot last. So when you're moving into a position and stepping under you wherever that may be. That's really important.
We did it come around, slow around?
We did a slow round.
1,
So basic first.
3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8.
Slow
1,
around.
2. Round the around. 5, 6, 7, 8. And we use that slow, or you can do continuous slow rounds. They get quite dizzy. It looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And straighten it out on a 7 and 8 to be ready for another basic. And then we can use a slow round to get into a slow out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we also did a thing in close embrace called TikToks. We call it TikToks. It's like crab walks. We're going back and forward and back, forward and so you can use that because we added 4 just pivot turn steps on the end of the slow out, and you can kind of make up a whole 8 by doing some TikToks on the end. So it would look like this: 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thumb, 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 thumb. 2,
5, 6,
7, 8. Back to basic on the 1. So I guess the notes for the actual slow out, we want to sort of continue the rotation through 5 like normal, and then have the follower sent out in a line, driving through the chest, and leaders going forward and around through with the follower, so that you don't end up in this bad position. 1, 3, and 4, 5, 6. So if you end up like this, you did it wrong. You want to end up with your weight over your front foot, with your elbow still quite bent, moving with your partner, and then to send the partner back, partner weights in your hand nicely, and then we're going to transfer with the triple step. 7, 8. So you've got that whole 7, 8 to get from this hand to this hand. You don't have to rush. You can really juice and delay that moment before coming back.
And then we just close it with 4 pivot turns.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Back.
And then you can go into a basic, or you can do some TikToks. 1, 2, 3, and 4. What else did we do? We did a walkthrough. We went 1, 2, 3, and 4. Side and triple step.
And then we ended that the same way as we ended our slow out.
Yep, and so once we had that going, we could then continue that step, step, triple step, 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 triple step pattern in a swivel shape like in Bal Swing. We've gone side and triple step, 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 triple step, 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 triple step. and then step around, and then back to close embrace. And then we talked about you can do all triples or all quick, all single time. So 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, triple step, triple step, triple step, triple step, slow, 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 triple step, slow, slow, triple step, do, da, do, up.
So you can mix those up in your own time, and then we did drags.
Drags. Before we do
Sorry.
drags, bonus point, you can do your pivot turns in the other direction when you close.
Oh.
So we've gone side and triple step, pivot, 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 1, 3, and 4. So that's a little bonus thing to try is to close the other direction, pivot the other way.
Drags.
Drags.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a slow gather,
Slow,
gather.
slow, slow. Base.
So we're really working on that contra body motion and that
6,
gathering.
7, 8, slow.
Contra,
Slow,
contra.
slow, slow.
Okay. And
So that's what we did.
that was a long day
We
of
scratched the surface of
Slow
the world of pure slow bal. So I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.